great coming back to this workshop and to meet the different colleagues and from different universities and industry and research organizations, not only from the upwing. And to see also the connections between them. They know each other, or they learn to know each other, and it's really interesting to get maybe some ideas or some kind of inspiration. The question is now, let's say, what are the technologies which will be later on included into this kind of wing and making it feasible and viable.
Here at the workshop, we want to demonstrate structures in this specific work packages to get people the chance to see what we are manufacturing, creating. Today I can show selected parts which are already ready and can prospect some parts which need to be manufactured.
So we went all the way from initial computational studies to design to even developing some prototypes. So yeah, we have really pushed the technologies that we were working on forward to make them more ready also for testing, to demonstrate the effects that we actually wanted to show.
This is a little bit different from academic conferences. You get to know people, you have closer distance with people. The small setting of the workshop is also very nice. You are willing to share ideas and you also trust people. You are more inspired to speak up.
That was a very good opportunity for me as well to present my own research, and it caused a lot of discussions actually. So I realized, there's a lot of interest in my research. So that was really nice.
It's been a great experience seeing all the different activities going on in different universities, different research institutions, which do a lot of activities towards the next generation commercial aircraft. And it's been great that we also have a lot of testing activities going on. So it's not only simulation based, but really making progress in wind tunnels, in flight test demonstrators to bring techniques to life and make them fly.
It was lovely presenting here. Learning about the Upwing project was really exciting. I guess this is like being at the cutting edge science that's being done recently to develop a new aircraft. So being part of this or having a little sneak peek into what's going to come in the next couple of years was really exciting.